in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. Today's unit is from Outre's Melted Hairline collection in the style Arlissa, and I got her in the color DRFF4/Hazelnut Honey. So if you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on her, see her in action, just keep watching.
This shit so good, should be illegal. Knee round to a nigga sequel. Hit the backboard like a free throw. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my safe plug. Got me singing like Aaliyah. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you single. Call me over, cause to go hard. Sweet little bit for like a porn star. Next day, act just like you road dog. Bitches asking how you know her. That game super, baby, loca. Too loud, I did a boca. This word is supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Come over, can I stop by to see you tonight? Can I stop by to see you? Both on fire, love the teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and clear, no need.
Okay, so let's talk about Miss Arlissa from Outre. According to the stock card, it is said that she is supposed to have a soft HD transparent lace, deluxe wide lace parting, pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, redesigned comfort fit, ear contour, salon inspired colors, and natural baby hairs. And I agree with everything that is said on the stock card 100%. It is also said that she is supposed to have a deluxe wide lace parting space, which is supposed to be a 2x5. And I want to say the only other melted hairline unit that I have like that is Sovita. Now I thought it was new on Sovita, but Arlissa is actually an older unit. I want to say it's almost like a year old. I could be wrong, don't quote me. But yes, the 2x5 parting space is exactly what it is, 2x5. So you get about 2 inches in the front across and then 5 inches within the parting space. I feel like that's the perfect amount of parting space when you don't necessarily want a full 13x4 or 13x6 unit, but you want a little bit of space, you know, to allow you to customize the unit, I guess. Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons regarding this unit. Of course, starting with the cons first. And my first one would have to be that she does shed. Now, it's not excessive or anything like that, but I am getting some strands nonetheless. My second con on this unit is that she is not big head friendly, which is actually a really big surprise to me because most of the time, Outre's perfect hairline and melted hairline units, I have no problem with them fitting on my head. I don't know why I couldn't think at that moment, but I usually have no problem with them fitting on my head. They fit like really nicely. This one on the other hand, she is so snug. Like when I say right in this area, she's like squeezing me. So just know this review is probably going to be a really short one because I gotta get her off my head. Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros regarding this unit. And to start off with the styling, between the length, the curls, and the body of her, she's definitely an everyday type of unit if she fit my head properly. My next pro on this unit would have to be the coloring of her. Now I feel like a 1B or a 2 would add to that everyday type of unit feel, but I don't know, the DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey, I just feel like it gives it a little bit of character. Another pro for this unit would be the density. Now she's not too thick, but she's also not too thin. It's just a, y'all probably gonna get tired of me saying this, but an everyday type of density in my opinion. It reminds me of the Divine unit from Outre, and also I want to say Linette unit from Outre. Both of those units aren't super thick, but they aren't super thin either, and I hope that's making sense. Lastly, let's talk about the price of this unit. On Divatress.com, she does retail for $47.99, but if you plan on picking up one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $2 upcharge. Overall, I do think that the unit is beautiful, but if you are someone who is like myself, once again, someone who has a big head or someone who has a lot of hair, this is not the unit for you, because when I say she is squeezing, she is squeezing right up here in this area. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Leave me a comment down below if you plan on picking up Arlissa, if you already have Arlissa, and what color. How does she fit and feel on your head? I want to know. Do I just have a super big head? Or maybe I just have a lot of hair? I don't know. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I might fuck you in your own car. You got my face just like